Shenzhen Holiday Company was established in 2014. It is a comprehensive and professional retail display supplier. We integrate planning, designing, printing, packaging, displaying, transporting, warehousing, and marketing. Holiday Company is the well-known designer and manufacturer specializing in green and eco-friendly retail displays in Fujian Province. Powerful technology, advanced equipment, standardization, enterprise management achieve indispensable position in retail display industry in Fujian Province. With more than 5 years experience, we can provide fast delivery on good quality paper displays for everyone, from entrepreneurs to small businesses and large corporations. Whether you are a large corporation in need of small run to test the market or a startup who needs a small display stand for your new product, we have you covered with exciting, vibrant, and affordable options. Quality roots professional. Service modes brilliant. Over more than 5 years development, Holiday Company has formed a large-scale system with below: Xiamen City Wares, branch of Xiamen Holiday Companies, the internship base for the MBA graduates of Tulane University of America. They are Popeye member of the New Association of America. 2017, set up a creative center to develop cardboard furniture, such as cardboard banana rocker, cardboard desk, cardboard chair, cardboard podium, and the banana rocker has won the award, the Analyst's Choice of 2017 HK Global Sources Fair. Easy to assemble cardboard banana rocker